To reverse insulin resistance, you need to bring your insulin levels down. This gives time for your body to heal. It allows the beta cells of your pancreas to regenerate. Beta cells are the cells of your pancreas that are responsible for the secretion of insulin. It also gives time for your liver cells to become more insulin sensitive and for the other insulin sensitive cells in your body, such as your fat cells, your muscle cells, to regenerate their insulin receptors. Food is the factor that is responsible for causing insulin resistance. Consuming frequent meals, consuming processed foods, and foods that are very high in sugar put continuous stress on your pancreas to release insulin. It also causes high levels of insulin to be released. This is what is responsible for insulin resistance. Now there are certain dietary tips which can be used to reverse insulin resistance. Number 1. Intermittent fasting or time restricted eating. Both these terms can be used interchangeably. Intermittent fasting means fasting for a fixed amount of time. It can be on alternate days or for a fixed amount of time during the day. Time restricted eating is similar to this. It means eating for a fixed amount of time during the entire day. According to me, time restricted eating for a fixed amount of time during the day is the most feasible way to fast. Remember, you need to fast for at least 12 hours during the entire day for insulin levels to come down substantially. The second tip would be to consume whole foods and foods that are high in fiber. According to dietary recommendations, each individual should consume approximately 25 to 30 grams of fiber during the entire day. This means that half of your plate should be made up of fiber. Fiber helps promote satiety, that means it does not let you feel hungry, and it also acts as a food for your gut bacteria, promoting gut health. Whole foods contain carbohydrates that are slow to digest. This means it puts minimal stress on your pancreas, allowing slow release of insulin, thereby allowing insulin resistance to heal. The third tip would be to incorporate good amount of protein in your diet. Protein is an important macronutrient that is responsible for a variety of functions in our body. When it comes to insulin resistance, protein promotes the secretion of insulin. It allows better glucose metabolism and it also helps you feel full. Whenever you are consuming protein, remember to consume 1 serving of protein in each meal. Then we will talk about fruits. Fruits are an excellent source of antioxidants and fiber. Antioxidants promote overall health. However, we must also keep in mind that fruits have a lot of fruit sugars known as fructose. Fructose is primarily digested in your liver. In the liver, it is either converted to fat or it is converted into triglycerides, which causes an anomaly in your lipid profiles. Remember, whenever you have insulin resistance, give time to your liver to heal. Consume fruits that have a low glycemic index, for example guavas or berries. Avoid foods which are high in fruit sugars, for example mangoes and bananas. And finally, we need to eliminate processed and refined foods from our diet. These foods are pro-inflammatory, that is, they cause inflammation in your body, in turn also damaging your pancreas, and they also stimulate your pancreas to secrete high amounts of insulin. Remember, simple dietary changes can help reverse insulin resistance.